YouTubers. We got a 2014 Jeep Wrangler with intermittent shutting off, engine shuts off sometimes, and these are the codes. Crankshaft position sensor, cylinder 1 misfire, multiple. Alright, what we're going to do first, we're going to clear those codes. And we don't know how they came about. It could have been someone unplugged something. The history here, I think I gotta find out. I think they rebuilt the engine or did a head job on this, something along those lines. So clearing the codes. Okay. And going back. Checking the results. No codes, and let's start the engine. Starts nice. Codes don't come back immediately. Didn't come back. Okay, I'm gonna restart it. I'm going to restart it. Okay, no check engine, no codes. Let's look at the ignition data while cranking. This is the best way to, but since there's no problem right now, we should see that everything is okay. We shouldn't see a problem since it starts very nice. So data, ignition, and we need three things: cam sync, and then crank signal state, and cam, no, missed it. Crank, base power, minus 33. Base power, minus 33. That's not right. That's not right. Base power, minus 30 degrees at idle. And it changes as we go on. It's not right. This is not supposed to be right now. Okay? Although it says it's in sync. What's interesting? Okay? In sync. This is what I was referring to. We need to see that the signals are there, and then they are, in fact, in sync. So let's try it again. Off. Ignition on. Data communications, and here it is, out of sync, and let's start it. Let's start it. Out of sync, and let's go. In sync. Okay, minus 31 degrees. No checking. And it's not shutting down. Shut it off. Okay, very little I can tell right now. The code did not come back, neither misfire nor the crank sensor code. So it's all up in the air. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit, put some load on the engine, see if that produces any codes, and come back with the results on part 2. Like it and subscribe, please.